Alrighty, got the box somewhat assembled here, and I kind of mocked up a motor just to test to see. Looks good, it's not jumping around at all. It's nice and level. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and assemble the whole thing here, and then I'll put a top on it. Should be pretty much done. All right, probably an unnecessary step. I'm gonna throw some paste wax in the holes here and the ones behind them that support the PVC. Should just help to keep it lubed up and going. Also, you just saw me ease all the edges, take all the burr and that little lip off the edge of the PVC. It'll make getting in and out of the pieces easier. You can do that with sandpaper, you don't need a file. Alright, I'm just going to trim these guys up to their final dimensions here. I only want about 1 inch sticking out, because these fittings will go 3/4 of an inch back, if that makes sense. Now I'm going to go ahead and cement these connectors, the female slip to female threaded to the outside here. None of the gluing is absolutely necessary. You can skip this step, but my wife had an issue with things coming out of the motor and stuff like that, and so I'm just want to make sure everything's secure. So as you can see, I ran into a couple issues. These guys needed to be mounted to something thinner, so I went out and got some washers. The washers are 1/2 inch inner diameter, 2-inch outer diameter. Then you saw me drill all these holes with a Forstner bit with a hand drill, just like I told you not to. So do as I say, not as I do. But it can be done if you keep the drill level with even pressure and go slow. Then I had to drill some holes in these washers to be able to mount them. Here we go. Drilled a hole in either side. These holes are 9/64, which is perfect for these to be nice and snug in there to screw in. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start assembling the switches. That guy's in there, but he's not wired, so I think I'm going to get going on the wiring. I'm running out of time here.